Go on your own pace and take your time. What's up, everybody? My name is Kelvin Pena, better yet known as Brother Nature. Originally from New York and Texas raised, baby. I think it's very important to know where you want to go and to really be at your own pace so you're not trying to keep up with anybody else. Be proud of your own progress that you build for yourself. Take time to slow down. Go outside, enjoy nature, enjoy life, walk, breathe, talk, have fun, and just do it. I believe you gotta color outside the lines to stay true to your core.